And if we look here on the loonie on the daily again, you can see that we ended the week with a break and close below a previous level of structure, right? We looked at this pattern this past week. It's a lot of P's in a row. We came up here, had another breakout pattern. We spoke about it could break out to the upside, to the downside. It was 50-50. Well, the market chose the downside, and now we made a key violation. So the break below, close below this level, identifying that I, allows me to predict, P, that price is likely to continue lower. And that's going to set up my confirmation bias for the trade, meaning that I want to be either a bearish continuation trader looking for a way to capture the move down, or if I'm a counter trend trader looking to get bullish, I'm trying to identify where that downward move is likely to terminate at. That way I can get bullish. So it doesn't matter whether you're a bull or a bear, or a trend continuation or counter trend trader, technical analysis is the same. You're just using it in a different way. So the first place that stands out to me to the downside, the next level of structure, is going to be this little consolidation zone right here. Price action back in late last year, came down, did a nice little double bottom action before going on our way. That same zone, I'm going to delete it because now I can't see the levels that I drew on. That same zone is going to be the zone in which I would project price action to go to. Now, what I want to do is within that zone, I want to really identify kind of I don't want to say the perfect price point because we're not trying to pinpoint perfect prices in the market, but I want to isolate that zone and make it smaller. That way I really have a target level. So we'll end up doing that a little bit later as the market shows its hand and more things get created. But a few things we can do right now is one, take on a Fibonacci extension from my previous swing high to my swing low down here. And back up, you're going to see a 127 extension right around that 135 even handle. Speaking of the 135 even handle, that's a psychological number. We can also bring some volume in as well. We'll take it from the lows here to the highs, and we can see that right within this zone, a little bit lower, we start to see our volume spike. So as of right now, we can isolate this zone a little bit, eyeballing that 135 even level. But as price action or as this potential trading opportunity continues, we'll be able to add more and more clues to isolate that level and get a really specific zone that we want to shoot for. Now, real quick, how do we trade this thing? Well, let's go down to the 4 hour. You can see that either 4 hour, hourly, whatever is your preference. You can see that price action is starting to lose momentum. You can see the wicks on these 3 candles to end the week.